What's up, guys? So today I did one stock STNE for a total of 353.80, 32 tickets and 69.40 in commissions. So the reason why 32 tickets but almost 70 bucks in commissions is because I took some pretty big shares of this stock. It's kind of cheap. Um, Relative wise. So the stock itself, it was on a daily level. It was it gapped down. It had a pretty wide range from 28.70 to 32.95. It opened and then it was basically playing from the 29 to I guess the 27 level, so $2 range. So again, naturally it gapped down. So I was initially bullish on the stock, watching it, see what happens. Went up, and then on the 15-minute, it became very bearish. So you can see this huge engulfing pattern, big bearish candlestick, dropped down to this level, pop back up. That coincides with this daily level here with an SMA, so strong support. On the 5-minute, it starts to lose it. Okay, so what I did initially was I took a short position. Here's how it looks like on the 1 minute. So here at the 5-minute, it took a short, it dropped, I covered 100 shares. It popped up and whatnot. I added to it. It popped up, didn't get past this level, which is the VWAP. So I added, and then it went above the VWAP. So I stopped out. So at this point, I think I was down maybe 700 bucks. So I stopped out minus 700. I saw that it popped up and then it dropped back. I went short again because I was bearish on this now after looking at the 15-minute, the engulfing pattern, and also daily because now it's up here. It popped up. So I felt like it was going to go back down. In the 1 minute, the fact that it rejected this level, rejected it again, so I added to it. So I think that's like 2,000 shares or something. It dropped. I covered. So and then I covered some more. So now I'm like minus $300 or something like that. It popped back up, and then it didn't break this EMA either. So this is a lower high. So at that point, I looked at the level 2. It was weak, so I added to it. It dropped, so I started to cover. So now I'm like down $100 or something like that. So and then when it dropped some more, I covered. It kind of pulled back a bit, but it was still very weak. And as I was looking at the overall trend for this stock, it looked like it was going to continue to trend downwards. So it kept making new 5-minute lows and whatnot. So on the pullback again, whenever it pulled back, so this is one continuous play here. So basically, I stopped at one, and then the second one I was a short. But every time it had a minor pullback, I kept adding to my position. So it had a pullback here. It respected this EMA, so I added to it. I think I had 3,500 shares in total by this point, and then it dropped again. So I covered, dropped all the way down to this level. I only had like, I don't know, maybe like 25 shares left. So I covered that. It didn't drop below that anymore, and then it made a reversal. So that's basically what it did. It held this level. And now it is reversing back to VWAP. So again, it hit this level, and then I think it's gonna get rejected again. It's gonna drop. It'll probably hit 27.90 or something like that. So it's gonna get rejected. It's probably gonna drop. That's my prediction for it. But anyway, I am done for the day. I hope you folks do well. But yeah, so that's it.